Hello friends, most of the factory or industry has a ceiling rotating fan at the top of the roof. These fans are rotating at very low speed. But have you ever wondered, why do most factories have fans at the top of the roof, and why these fans run very slowly? And why these fans are kept on the roof? Industrial activity generates a lot of heat, and as the hot air being less dense will rise up due to buoyancy. It loses its heat to the roof and then falls down. This cycle continues and the process is called as Rayleigh-Benard convection. You can observe this in the before part of the image that follows. Even though the hot air loses its heat to the roof, there will be no effective ventilation provided as the heat loss is partial, which causes the temperature of the room to increase. Another characteristic feature of natural convection is that the velocity of flow is very less. Now, as you can see in this image, which is when the rooftop ventilators are provided, the hot air which is near the roof will find itself a way to escape to the atmosphere by rotating the rotor, which is located in the ventilator at the top of the roof. The breeze outside also has an effect in rotation of the rotor. This causes a reduction in pressure in that region and causes more air to escape through the ventilator, leading to an increase in ventilation of the building. In other words, the main purpose behind using these fans is to ventilate the area of factory. Industrial action produces a lot of heat, so it loses its warmth to the rooftop and afterwards tumbles down. Therefore, the ceiling rotating fans are used to reduce or maintain the temperature of the factory.
So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.